akwasiafo what a week of no be outside 1 minute of no 1 minute. When you be a woman week of fear or be able to read for the man, Captain Smart, or read to a friend and I've been yejuma.
Enti agrono enya dani beef between Captain Koje Smart and Attorney General Dr. Dominic Ayende. I was in Oma class. Attorney General Abba reply Captain Smart. If I name one just said with the case of Boahen versus Attorney General Boahen Irene. Attorney General say master hemfa and who say Boahen Irene case now. I'm a Captain Smart so Abba reply Attorney General media. I say he a high Penyah broke media. Best was any demo. Over like video no other my subscribe button stand by click notification and connect latest updates. Now bachelor wag and their mommy. Ewo comments as she mess raso baswa. No I should be done for so any be ashe. Eje name issue na ewo board Attorney General versus Cabinet Boahen. Efa $7 million corruption scandal be a course so abra na oye Director General for NSB National Signal Bureau under Akufo-Addo government. What I say? Emekoba say guy sika wodi $7 million. What this can? Yeah the contract man 2020. Wodi wobo mamba ema onso kwa beka so sika no nyon kwa di ye odibi to car ema mahama 24 election arena na to car no sika bi de to ma no ibi kwa no mahama campaign ye 2024 nyina no sika na bi o mahama $500,000 ema ho ade the campaign eni ade etina ka nyina ye twen asebe be kwa akoduro ora say na ka ye twen gos Attorney General Ayende Dominic Ayende ebe ye many press conferences on that and Kenya ye twen senka Boahen kwa akodem anase ahye ne se o tua sika no Emma or mine. It ain't like last week. There was a common conoma. Captain Koje Smart, common conoma bar, Baba Media, and a snowball about trading some what you said. In the case of Boahen versus Attorney General, it was Attorney General Lucy, and Boahen Edum Konim.
Documents are from the Attorney General's Nisiu to know how the SU Quabre Boahen. Yalusu. Oh, Yalusu, as well again. Oh. Yeah, you're serious. Yeah, these politicians, these are the documents. Where Attorney General Peter, Attorney General the Assembly Kotako, what was it 927? Rurakadesh. Where I was say, Nipano, Wakoto 927, one day, cut out the court in you, where you have a kind of Monday. Minim say Mary, you know, a lawyer for Befrebe, Mr. Shandoff Befrebe. What are the documents? Mr. Shandoff, this is the number 1 document. This is the second document. I'll give you photocopies. So you don't have to call me Kura. Mr. Shanoff, this is the third document. You don't have to call me. Are you Kweku or Kojo or Kwesi? Whichever way, you are Shanoff. This is document number 5. You see the baby inside the day. You don't have to call me. Mr. Shanoff, you don't have to call me. This is document number 6. You dey here. You don't have to.
Elbertu just said in the suit of Boahen Krano. Attorney General a press conference. I catch the Ghana for say, there was a movement of money from one state BMC to private account B in the name of Boahen. But in the lawsuit, it wasn't captured in the lawsuit.
Maybe I told the third bomb. Maybe I took third bomb. JB, what's a brand to be a friend of Boahen Dinda? The Attorney General, I said, what told them I come 27. Or man, this is for $500,000 an hour more before the elections. Did the NDC take $500,000 from Boahen or not? And here number 1. Third bomb. Fourth bomb. Or produce 4 cars. See a rubber 4. Why a coin? Why not just a cars? Says a cars no way. Where are those cars? And who took delivery of the $500,000 US? That is my third, fourth bomb. But it's a question. My shadow and my head is Obinya kukudro betra. Make sure say crobia santo kotoko no for say to a baby o ka say enye kwoteka say na de nyimba it is a dia da wa ha mu a ente so betwe yinsen obi ba nsuo na firi be ma homa na nyim obi me di ma fo neto no bisa no sanka de cassette mi nyimo ba ka timba de ka ne maye bibiri. Did he give 4 cars? Where are the cars? Did he pay $500,000? And who took delivery of that money? Let nobody try anywhere under the sun. So be say Muhammadin be ya dia bia e be tete Jordan me do nyame. I am so for say mama nkasa me do nyame, but so far I don't have a choice. Me do nyame because me I love God. Just say I love God. Me do nyame. Let nobody try. Say you want to ruin this administration. No, it will never happen under my watch. And see. Bomb number 5. Huh? Debbie, what can I say? Attorney General here press conference no? Or can say, Kwabena do Boahen, huh? We're moving Sika from a state BMC to a private BMC. One thing. Sir, Kwabena do Boahen, we're far buying Sika free point A. No, they are to the private account to point B. Patcho one is Attorney General kind. Now, Attorney General now has a case now they call court no. The suit in here. The Republic versus Kwabena Boahen, Angela Boahen, Mildred Donko, and Advantage Solutions Limited. There's nowhere in this document just say Kwabena Boahen. We're moving a buying seeker at their to private account. Who is deceiving who? Are you guys? What is wrong with you?
And watchy, and I NDC on Facebook or make keep post. No, the Captain Smart. And the market can deny because a heifer lawsuit that fire a walk higher. And Jerusalem was said, my state lawsuit in any. What I say, any must Mr. Tinley clear woman. I said there was a movement of orders, a transfer of money from state, coffers to a private bank account in the name of Kwabena Boahen and in 7 hours keke. Keka won sem ye na me minim de me ye de me ka bia ye no kra eye ane army. What I say? It Attorney General ever reply Captain Smart na enumo ana Captain Smart so say ono nyamere. He never back down. What's our reply Attorney General?
Adwuma na ye yo no. Enye yesi o enama fa document bi ama. But someone may can go and check our document to be a war. Maybe in Germany. Me presenter, me a presenter. Me presenter, me a presenter. Eti sa me bad juma, and I me bad juma, and I me quite juma, and ya me crowd them determine. They are all swamino and a member. So I am not a presenter. I am a preach center. That's all it's here. Thursday, the council JB Deputy Attorney General and the post no. Me obi send me say me kind. It is all former producer who are Fatos on Amon Senman Namen for the very first time. And I was a Deputy Attorney General, will be Frammy Catcher say, Deputy Attorney General. We're posting BB on Facebook about a seminar mechanic. When am I who say me a preach center? Can't seminar no be a hope. So when you must say that, who quite sorry, and I say, I'll pass on one pack, I say, thank you for the life of Captain Smart. Me young woman, I'm a nipa, ya woman more mine. It's a debut, I make catch us, and me, mammy, I give you, being country and say, I don't belong to you. Me, mammy, I say, what ten and one say. Share? What do you want to say? Me mankind.
Captain Smart.
Me say deputy attorney general. Atro bibi. The entire make watro bibi ni say mankind. I had 2 lawyers who sent that to me.
He is smart.
But me see me mbie na makan. Bisobi ayo sending me WhatsApp, not sending me video. Now my trouble say, what is the video about? What is it about? I am not interested. Because why have Bibi informing me? No, I don't go that way. And I am repeating. Eh? Document na me ma JB e kan ye no. Me pacho en free me phone so. And as information na me ni JB ye kan ye no. And ya dia e free obi a ho. Me say e attorney general. Attorney general ono an krata odi asiw no. Na some na make and one hwe yi obi adwebe ne say Jamakodwo mpe attorney general asem. Jamakodwo mpe Iyoko asem. No. Sa na MPP for ye one ti ase. I'm a more percentage say. Say ya to aba ne wie no mo nya 90 seater me resign. We sofo bi ani krum ho kan. Me nam kan you remember 2023. Asam na make no. Esesa attorney general na kase bi anani. Your friend is saying Ayeni. Okay. Dominic Ayeni, a very fine, fantastic, refined lawyer. But Chief, open your eyes and sit down tonight and go back into suit now. Wow, would you court no? Wow, court on kratenim. Wow, court on kratenim. And I'm a work copy. They are not saying anything. But wow, court and kratano emu. And I'm a work copy. But so when you're careful, somebody will deceive you. In any case, in fact, you have been deceived 82% out of 100. Now what the sad and sa as a gro JB neka wo gro ho e wo a e betene when be ba ho so no na trouble account be na me catch you if say last week me catch you me say on my way wo kwa court a ye nka no kura wo court and it's na enche at a chief justice here over court this week here. Toko no obeko ye or say the law is the law and yes I know can court yen kan kure court any fact the court is the law and the law is the law court yen kan kure court emra and ye di adwuma enti me srawada enye say yet it's one year grow home. Say, I'm not careful. Yet in the sad and the sad. Ed in the sad and the sad. Yet in the sad and the sad. A bear dear. And you see, me bomb say bomb. Yes, Attorney General, Dimirika, Echo Facebook. Equatroy, me who say JB asenya mam to say dem kai na. Ba me no. Me wodi am pese me catch one pay. Number 1. Ansana meko kwabere du Boahen case ne so no. Ba me kan asem hwe. Say yet I said the law is the law. Na court yen kan no kure dem mra na ye ka de a. Ansa na obeka sa wo de Captain Smart e court wo de JB e court no. na emra ne mu no wode wo nan asisi yie abusia anya saa enche ebehwie to aguse bra
na for media no so a NDC for no so egg can be check Captain Kojo Smart
kwasiafo na what a week to fina obi aso no amene week to fina wo hwe ne ye onyo bia no amene week to fina obi abo to week to fina man Captain Smart o week to fina na adwen ye adwuma o week to fina kwasasam no keka onu wi bi test kwasasam keka ode mo hwe nipa bia no wa amene wi bi test ana mo ma amene week to fina onyo bia no amene week to fina wotafre kwasifie ni bia no amene week to fina no keka mo asam aba mo asam no
Igbo for just Captain Smart. You said the government, President Mahama, has not done anything in his 8 months in government. Captain Smart, you claimed to be smart, but a foreigner came to your own country to install you as a sub-chief. Who does this? This is not smartness, but imported foolishness. President John Mahama, you claim, has done nothing in 8 months. Has done it better than a previous one you've campaigned like a cheerleader. That's later sent Ghanaians into crisis that we are still solving to make Ghana a better living place for everybody, including your ignorant self. And today, you are throwing microphone bullets at the president. You want him to get Ghana done, fixed in 8 months. You expect him to build Dubai inside Volta region, or come and build China inside Accra. Make Tamale America. No wonder you have migrated or graduated from sub-chief of the Igbos to a journalist chief commentator. Now, you don't know where you belong to. Today you are here, tomorrow you are there. You are carrying beads around and red cloths around like a village Wi-Fi, looking for everybody to connect. Smartness is not all about how lousy you are, like a doomsday generator. Smartness is not also about wearing beads and crown, walking around. Smartness is about the truth in your hearts. You are a sub-chief without kingdom. You are a captain without ship and without a football team.
So when you tell me, say, apart from dollar, I find it weird to appreciate your reasoning. I find it weird. Unless I be a wunefu, fine, so I don't have any problem. But if we need to be real, so I catch them and say, apart from a dollar, nothing. The fuel. Are you not saving some monies after buying 1 gallon of fuel? You are saving more than 12, 16 cities. And I'm a boy. You ask me, and so what again? Just imagine 23% inflation. And NDC decided, say, and some ranking number 45. So NDC decided, say, and dollar from 19 cities, you know, and can say, you find some can say 20 cities can wash it. Fuel, now you talk fuel. Now you talk fuel. Say 16 cedis per liter. And if I'm buying fuel 12 cedis per liter today, I am better off. How can you convince me? Say we be so iron rods. As at last year, near to iron rods, 92,000 to almost 10,000, 9,000 to almost 10,000. Maybe iron rods. Today, iron rods, 6,900, 7,000. Oh, I am pegging on 7,000. Asante Mampong. Just last week, I bought some 6,700. So how can you convince me? No, how can you convince me? Say there is nothing happening apart from dollar. How can you convince me? The inflation figures are there, the dollar or fuel or sanema we nyina enya good impact on enyema yekotoso. Go to other places. They have reduced the prices of their fridges, gas cooker, washing machine. I mean, and they tell you why. And why no more catch and they say because of the dollar. It's so simple. You don't need to worry your head over this.
Ube to actually why amame. I will comment section. Enya ye beef. Attorney General versus Captain Koje Smart. A very media, so I Penyah Media, Accra.